longer arms. Maybe there. Yeah. Sunlit grass. 6.5. 5, 4, 3, 2 seconds. Reciprocity. 4 seconds. Okay. All right, I'll give you guys a quick rundown here. Had to deal with a major bellow sag here, as you saw. This bellows is really bad. So anyways, the scene, as you can see, glorious. The willows, the weeping willow there. And there's a tree in the background, some type of, I don't know if it's a magnolia. Got a nice shaft of sunlight. And I really wanted to emphasize that with the yellow filter on. I framed vertically. I've got the 600 millimeter, the Fujinon. One of my proudest acquisitions. Bought in Japan back when Fuji was still making large format lenses. These lenses go for a premium now. So I metered, as I said, I've been shooting this film at an EI of 50. The filter, I add 2/3 of the stop, so we're down to an EI of 32. And I based my exposure on the hedge right there. And then I took a reading off of this sunlit grass here, and it was 3.5 stops brighter. So I placed the shadowed hedge on zone 3. That'll put this on zone 6.5. I wanted to frame it so I had this band of shadow at the very bottom. So a band of shadow, band of sunlight, and the glowing sunlit leaves, and then the dark kind of in the background. So this band of shadow, it was about a stop brighter than the dark hedge in the background. So that puts it about on zone 4. So I'm gonna get packed up now because bears are out and about and they're hungry. And I don't want them getting my donuts. So I'll see you guys in the dark room. Hopefully we've got something. Someone asked me, what's with the plastic bags with the holders? Well, plastic bags help protect the holders from dust and just gunky stuff getting on them when I'm out in the field. And the elastic band is to prevent accidental withdrawal of the slides, which has happened when I've when I've pulled the holder out, it's caught, this lip is caught on to this clip on another holder and pulled the slide out and wrecked a perfectly good sheet of 8x10 film. Now these tabs on some of the holders are not trustworthy. This one isn't bad. At least these little tabs, they screw in and out, but a lot of my holders, they won't do that. So this one is pretty safe. I really don't need elastic band on it, but it's just extra security. And that is why. I got these plastic bags at some bulk supply store years ago. It was like about 100 of them all together. And once, I mean, they last quite a while, but once they get worn out, I just get rid of them and get a new one. Very contrasty, I would say. Good old D-23. This probably make a great carbon transfer print. And our negative is very contrasty. So I'm debating whether or not to do a carbon print or a Ferroblend. I think it's just too dense for calotype or a salt print. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try Ferroblend print first. Well, it turned out pretty good. Very pleased. What do you guys think? Keeper? Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.